Welcome Team Lukachupi to Box Office India.
Thank you.
How's Josh right now?
अरे बाप रे. How's it?
Hi.
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 Excited.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi ma'am.
Hi, sir.
Hi ma'am. Hi sir.
We are too, especially with the trailer and the song that are out.
Which is your favorite song? Gogola.
You were not supposed to answer
I
it.
like
Wait
the
for
new
the
one.
answer.
You like
Dunia.
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 Dunia is very
Love,
good.
love.
Love that.
Dunia is super. Even so is Coca-Cola.
Lakshman sir, which is your favorite song?
पोस्टर
Poster is your favorite? Nice.
Not photo, I thought photo.
Photo.
हमने ना सारे नाम ले लिए
सारे
basically.
सारे अच्छे मतलब. Not photo.
पोस्टर की एनर्जी बहुत अच्छी लगती है मुझे।
हाँ. हाँ. Correct.
Dinesh, my first question is to you that
I
last
find it so weird when someone
Dino.
calls him Dinesh. To be very honest.
I will. You say Mr. Dinesh. Let's not get weird now.
Okay,
Mr. Vision.
Mr. Vision.
Yeah.
Mr. Vision.
So my first question is to you. Last year you had a debut director and
The year before last.
oh no, it's 3.
You had a, not you were. You
Ah,
had.
had a
You
had
debutant
Lots
director.
of debutant directors.
Yeah. And you gave a huge hit with Stree. This year also you have a debutant director with you, and the excitement for this film is rising every day with all the songs that are coming in. So is this, a lot of people take these decisions to add freshness to their banners, to their production houses. Is that your thought too?
I think the first film I made in life was with the debutant director, with Homi, which was Being Cyrus. We've done after that. There's been Amar Kaushik, who's debut. There's Lakshman Uttekar, who's not a debutant. It's his debut in Hindi.
Yeah,
He's done
exactly.
Marathi films.
I know.
Even Nikhil, who brings Made in China, it's his first Hindi film. So I think for me, the most important thing is the subject and the script.
Right.
And if that works, then you need to find a person who completely relates to it and can make it. In this case, I was lucky that Lakshman sir brought the script to me, which Rohan has written.
Okay.
And I think it's a narration where all of us, when we heard, and then we worked on it, but from the initial bit, it was a narration where we had to stop it 4 times because we were laughing so much.
Okay.
And I've never done a film like this, so I do not like doing films which have a reference point to myself also.
Okay.
So I'd like to, have something new that you offer. So this
Right.
was a good combination, like those Rishikesh Da films. This is a clean family film in the sense that you can watch it with your full family, yet it has something unique, like Live in Sab Parivar.
Right.
So I don't think it's like my motto that, okay, I want to launch debutant directors. But like how cinema's changed, there's a lot of, the base has widened.
Right.
A lot of small town is the new big town. And I think that's the choice of stories. And Lakshman sir has done Hindi medium with me before this.
Yeah.
He shot another film for me. So it was a very organic, and one of the main reasons I've done this film is for him. Because I think I've never worked with a clearer and more director with such good work ethic. Such a good work ethic that he doesn't talk to his actors only.
अरे बात ही
Why
नहीं थी.
so?
What? Without talking, how could you finish the film?
No, he talks about the film.
एक
But
direction देते
only
हैं.
about the film.
सिर्फ डायरेक्शन देते हैं,
वो-
सिर्फ शॉट्स की बात करते हैं, सिर्फ स्क्रिप्ट की बात करते हैं, उसके अलावा कुछ बात नहीं होगी.
Actually, throughout the film, मैं सिर्फ गुड्डू और रश्मि से ही बात करना चाहता था.
Oh, okay.
Kriti
कार्तिक
और Kartik
कृति
are
कुछ नहीं.
He's like a horse with blinders. Can't see anything else.
Right. Mr. Uttekar, you have been a part of some very big and renowned Bollywood films that we have, and you have done 2 films in Marathi. So why is this longer time to make your director debut in Hindi?
At the age of 45, yeah.
But you were making Marathi films.
I did 2 Marathi films actually.
Yeah.
And it was not I was not desperate to direct the
Right.
film. Because I was having my joy, shooting good films and with good directors. But sometimes what happened actually when you also, every person has something to say.
True.
And luckily I was in the industry for last 15-20 years, so I got opportunity to direct this film because of Dinu sir. So yeah, that's the and Rohan Bhuge has written this beautiful script. So first of all, it was a challenge to direct this film because I am Marathi, I am from Maharashtrian background, and the film is based in North.
Yes.
The typical, different flavor altogether.
Right.
Different culture, different language. So for me, it was a challenge
True.
to direct this film. But then initially when he came to me with this script, my instant reaction was, no, I can't direct this film.
Oh.
because I don't know how North Indian people talk, how they behave, what they wear, the language and all. But then I thought, then what is the point me being in this industry for so many years? James
Right.
Cameron when he did Avatar, वो जिया तो नहीं होगा, है ना? तो then I thought let's take a challenge, and we took 1.5 years to write the script. Many times we went there to Mathura, Gwalior, Agra
To get the vibe.
to get the vibe.
Yeah.
We used to stay there. We used to write over there.
Okay.
And the day I got that confidence, that yes, now I can direct this film, then we approached it.
Okay. And how did Karthik and Kriti fit the role of Rashmi and Guttu?
It is so nice to hear him talk for a change, because we've actually not done interviews together where we've heard him and his point of view. And yeah, we are talking about the film,
Yeah.
but still,
मेरे तो कान खुल गए
suddenly, कोई और
सडनली
बोल
ऐसा
रहा है.
ऐसा लग रहा है अच्छा सर की आवाज ऐसी है आउट ऑफ
Actually,
डायरेक्शन वाले
first
जोन
of
से
all, let me tell you one thing, because nowadays, see, if you have a good script, because if you see last 1 year, the kind of new unique concepts are coming.
Absolutely.
The reason behind that, the directors are coming from those places, small towns, and they have many things to say. The actual Indian colors, Indian culture,
Right.
you know, Indian humor. नहीं तो इससे पहले हमारी फिल्में शूट होती थी इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, अफ्रीका.
The
Switzerland.
foreign
Switzerland.
locations, yeah.
उसका रीजन ये है कि you have a good script, but by the time, I mean, you are approaching to various studios.
Right.
By the time the film goes to the chief, उसके अक्षर फेड हो जाते हैं, तो स्क्रिप्ट नहीं रहती.
Okay.
यहाँ पे एडवांटेज है कि द मोमेंट मी एंड रोहन वाज हैप्पी विद द स्क्रिप्ट एंड वी वेंट टू देनु सर, so that direct approach and taking decision, that's why we could start the film and finished it, and within a 7 month we are releasing the film.
Okay.
So I think that's the USP over here.